There was a farmer. He used to farm in a large field. In the middle of that field, a piece of rock was sticking out of the ground. He had stumbled on it and fallen many times, and his farming tools had broken on hitting it. Like every day, today also he reached the field early in the morning, but what had been happening for years happened again. Once again the farmer's plow broke after hitting the stone. The farmer got very angry, and he thought in his mind that whatever happens today, he will pull out this rock from the ground and throw it out of the field. He immediately ran and called 4 to 5 people from the village and took them all to that stone. Friends, the farmer said, "Look, this piece of rock sticking out of the ground has caused me a lot of damage, and today we all have to pull it out completely and throw it outside the field." And while doing so, he started hitting the edge of the stone with the shovel. But what is this? He had just hit it once or twice when the entire stone came out of the ground. The people standing nearby were also surprised, and one of them laughingly asked, "Why, brother, you were saying that there is a big rock buried in the middle of your field, but this turned out to be a small stone." The farmer was also surprised that what he had been considering a huge rock for years was actually just a small stone. He regretted that if only he had tried to remove it earlier, he would not have to suffer so much loss, and he would not have been made fun of in front of his friends. Friends, just like this farmer, many times we also consider the small obstacles coming in life to be very big, and instead of dealing with them, we keep suffering. The need is that we fight those problems without wasting time, and when we do this, then in a short time everything will start looking like a rock. The problem will start to look like a small stone which we can easily kick over and move on.